pulsing, a steady, unbreakable heartbeat shared by the redwood and the grain of sand. This love isn't a flame I fan, it's the air I breathe, clear and eternal. It's the river that cut the canyon, a relentless, patient force. My mind is finally a glass lake, perfectly still, reflecting the sky's vast, undemanding blue. All the chaos I carried has dissolved, leaving only the sound of melodia, the universal chord of belonging. I no longer chase the sunrise, I realize I carry the dawn inside me. This moment is not a fleeting echo, but the entirety of space and time condensed into a signal, violent count. And in the core of that gem, there is only peace, a soft blanket woven from starlight and silence, large enough to cover the whole world. I can feel the ancient rhythm of creation pulsing, a steady, unbreakable heartbeat shared by the redwood and the grain of sand. This love isn't a flame I fan, it's the air I breathe, clear and eternal. It's the river that cut the canyon, a relentless, patient force. My mind is finally a glass lake, perfectly still, reflecting the sky's vast, undemanding blue. All the chaos I carried has dissolved, leaving only the sound of melodia, the universal chord of belonging. I no longer chase the sunrise, I realize I carry the dawn inside me. This moment is not